Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English Conversation Practice Series. In today's lesson, we will focus on how to use English in business meetings using simple, clear, and natural sentences that beginners can understand and use with confidence. This lesson will help you participate in meetings, share ideas, agree or disagree politely, and feel more comfortable speaking English at work. Make sure to subscribe, like this lesson, and practice speaking out loud with us. Now, let's begin.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining the meeting today, and I hope we can have a productive discussion together. Good morning, Emma. I'm glad to be here, and I'm looking forward to sharing ideas. Before we begin, I would like to quickly review the agenda so everyone knows what we will discuss.
That sounds helpful, because it keeps the meeting organized and clear.
First, we will talk about our current progress, and then we will discuss next steps.
I appreciate having a clear structure for the meeting.
Please feel free to ask questions at any time if something is not clear.
Thank you. That makes the meeting feel more open and comfortable.
Let's start by talking about the results from last week.
I'm ready to share my update with the team.
Overall, the team made good progress, but there are still a few challenges we need to address.
I agree, and I think discussing them openly will help us improve.
I would like to hear your thoughts on the current situation.
From my perspective, communication has improved, but timelines are still tight.
Thank you for sharing your opinion, because it helps us understand the situation better.
I'm happy to contribute to the discussion.
Does anyone else have something to add at this point?
I believe collaboration has helped us solve problems faster.
That's a good point, and teamwork has been very important.
Working together always leads to better results.
Now let's move on to discussing our goals for the next phase of the project.
I think setting clear goals will help everyone stay focused.
One of our main goals is to improve efficiency while maintaining quality.
That goal sounds realistic and important.
To achieve this, we may need to adjust some of our processes.
I'm open to discussing new ways of working.
Please share any ideas you have, even if they are simple.
Simple ideas often lead to effective solutions.
I appreciate everyone's willingness to participate.
A positive environment makes meetings more productive.
Sometimes speaking English in meetings can feel challenging, especially for beginners.
I felt nervous at first too, but practice really helps.
Speaking slowly and clearly makes it easier to share ideas.
I've noticed that people understand me better when I speak calmly.
It's okay to take a moment to think before responding.
Taking time helps avoid misunderstandings.
If you don't understand something, it's always okay to ask for clarification.
Asking questions shows interest and responsibility.
Meetings are about communication, not perfect grammar.
That reminder really helps reduce stress.
Let's discuss any challenges we are currently facing.
One challenge is managing deadlines with limited resources.
Thank you for mentioning that, because it's an important issue.
I believe discussing it will help us find solutions.
We can explore options to better manage time and workload.
That would make daily tasks easier for the team.
Does anyone have suggestions for improving the situation?
Better planning might reduce pressure.
That's a useful suggestion, and we can discuss it further.
I'm glad my input was helpful.
Now let's talk about communication within the team.
Clear communication helps avoid confusion.
Regular updates keep everyone informed and aligned.
I agree, especially when working on shared tasks.
Using simple English makes communication easier for everyone.
Simple language helps all team members understand.
Meetings are a good place to share progress and concerns.
Open discussions build trust.
I appreciate everyone's honesty during discussions.
Honest communication improves teamwork.
Sometimes meetings can feel long, but they are important.
Meetings help align goals and expectations.
Staying focused helps make meetings more efficient.
Focus saves time for everyone.
I try to prepare notes before meetings to feel confident.
Preparation makes speaking easier.
Writing down key points helps me stay organized.
Notes are very helpful during discussions.
I feel more confident when I know what to say.
Confidence grows with preparation.
Let's take a moment to review action items from today's meeting.
Reviewing tasks helps avoid confusion later.
Each team member will have clear responsibilities.
Clear roles improve efficiency.
We will follow up on progress during our next meeting.
Regular follow-ups keep projects on track.
Please let me know if you need support with your tasks.
Support from the team is very important.
Working together makes challenges easier to handle.
Teamwork always helps.
I encourage everyone to speak up during meetings.
Speaking up builds confidence.
Even small comments can add value to discussions.
Every idea matters.
Listening carefully is just as important as speaking.
Good listening improves communication.
Respectful communication creates a positive environment.
Respect helps everyone feel comfortable.
Meetings should feel safe and supportive.
A safe environment encourages participation.
Let's talk briefly about decision-making.
Decisions are easier when everyone shares ideas.
We try to reach decisions together as a team.
Team decisions feel more balanced.
Clear explanations help everyone understand decisions.
Understanding decisions improves cooperation.
If you disagree, you can express it politely.
Polite disagreement keeps discussions professional.
Respecting different opinions is very important.
Different views improve results.
Using English in meetings becomes easier with practice.
Practice reduces fear and stress.
I remember when I felt nervous speaking in meetings.
Many beginners feel the same way.
Over time, confidence naturally improves.
Confidence comes from experience.
Making mistakes is part of learning.
Mistakes help us improve.
The most important thing is clear communication.
Clear communication is the goal.
I try to use simple sentences when sharing ideas.
Simple sentences are very effective.
Speaking slowly helps others understand better.
Slow speech sounds confident.
Pausing before speaking helps organize thoughts.
Pauses make speech clearer.
Meetings are a great place to practice English.
Real practice builds real skills.
I feel more comfortable speaking now.
Comfort comes with time.
Let's review what we discussed today.
Reviewing helps remember key points.
We talked about progress, challenges, and next steps.
That summary is very clear.
Everyone contributed valuable ideas.
Team participation was strong.
I appreciate everyone's effort and attention.
Appreciation motivates the team.
Thank you for staying engaged throughout the meeting.
Engagement makes meetings successful.
If you have questions later, feel free to reach out.
Open communication is important.
Meetings are more effective when everyone participates.
Participation builds teamwork.
English meetings become less stressful with experience.
Experience brings confidence.
I encourage daily English practice at work.
Daily use improves fluency.
Confidence grows with every meeting.
Each meeting is a learning opportunity.
Using English at work supports career growth.
Strong communication creates opportunities.
Meetings help develop professional communication skills.
Professional skills are very valuable.
I feel more confident sharing ideas now.
Confidence improves leadership skills.
Clear communication builds trust with colleagues.
Trust improves teamwork.
English meetings help connect international teams.
Language brings people together.
One enjoy participating in meetings now.
Enjoyment improves performance.
Meetings feel less stressful than before.
Reduced stress improves focus.
I'm proud of my improvement.
You've made great progress.
I plan to keep practicing English in meetings.
Continuous practice brings success.
Learning English at work feels rewarding.
It definitely pays off.
English is now part of my daily work life.
Daily use builds confidence.
Meetings help improve speaking and listening skills.
Both skills are important.
I feel prepared for future discussions.
Preparation builds confidence.
I'm no longer afraid to speak in meetings.
Fear disappears with practice.
I focus on sharing ideas clearly.
Clarity matters more than perfection.
Business meetings feel more comfortable now.
Comfort improves communication.
I understand discussions better than before.
Listening skills improve naturally.
I feel confident expressing opinions politely.
Politeness keeps discussions professional.
Meetings help me grow professionally.
Growth comes from experience.
English supports my career development.
Language skills open doors.
I'm happy with my progress in meetings.
You should be proud.
I continue learning with every conversation.
Learning never stops.
English meetings now feel natural.
Natural speech shows confidence.
I enjoy communicating with my team.
Good communication strengthens teams.
I'm motivated to keep improving.
Motivation drives success.
Thank you everyone for your time today.
Thank you for leading the meeting.
Our discussion was very productive.
I agree. It was well organized.
Let's continue working together effectively.
Teamwork leads to success.
I look forward to our next meeting.
Me too. It will be another good opportunity to practice.
Using English in business meetings now feels clear and manageable.
With regular practice, it will only become easier and more confident.